Tell me, and you talked in detail about this. Well, what or how are you building wealth and creating your legacy?
Well, I think when I was asked about the legacy thing, you may remember my answer was, my intention is not to leave a legacy for my children other than the fact that they have a relationship with Jesus Christ. That's the legacy I want to leave with them. But I'm not leaving them a dime. I mean, I'm sure I will, but that's not my goal because I've seen so many people get ruined because they had backup and they used it not as backup, they used it as their everyday, here's how you get going kind of thing. What made me who I am is that I had to work for what I have. um, I'm leaving a legacy of education and not college, although college is great, but I could care less if my kids go to college unless you need a degree, like some sort of a degree to do something like a certification or a license. You can learn everything you need by going to webinars and seminars and masterminds and it's so much cheaper than a college education, right?
Yeah, I mean, outside of certain STEM careers, I mean, most of that you can just go straight for the certification and be much further ahead. And I think society, especially Fortune 500 companies, they've whether by necessity or not, they've become more open to that.
That's exactly right. I have lots of cousins that have grown children that have all graduated from college, and they all have come out of college with $80,000 plus in debt. Can you? I don't. You look like a child to begin with, Chris. You're so young. You're younger than me. When I came out of college, I didn't have a dime in debt. I can't imagine entering the workforce with that kind of debt in front of me. Um,
No, I mean, yeah, there's ultimately, I think really what college teaches you, if you go through the process right, is relationship building and work ethic.
mhm.
If you, those are the biggest skills. I mean, various degrees. I mean, they obviously, differ. Nothing I do has anything to do with what I learned in college outside of relationship building and work ethic. I learned more from the network marketing company. I was selling vitamins in college. I apologize to all my college friends who were broke and couldn't afford anything. But anyway, it taught me the fear of communication and the fear of like standing, like, doing presentation. I'm an introvert, so it taught me those skills, and those skills cost me, like, I don't know, $50 or whatever it was to join that company. And it was just trial by fire at that point. But yeah, I think you hit the nail on the head. It's work ethic. That's
Yeah,
ultimately
yeah.
what matters.